Where are you going? Oh, you're going back. Come here. Come to mama. Come here. You're not going back to the car. Come here, baby. Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness. Anyway, good morning. It's nice this morning. The sun is out. It's not raining. The cloud is clear, and I woke up like 6:40, and now it's 7:30. I just done editing, and now it's rendering, and so think it's done. I'm gonna excuse me. I'm gonna keep going do my job. I'm not gonna turn all the lights because you know the sun's in, so I'm wasting some electric. So what I'm going to do is going to change because this is what I wore in bed, and soak it with water used for cooking egg. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna finish what I have to do that I can be done over here and done because I have a new project. I'm gonna make something in the dining room. It's kind of risky because and we never did this, and I only see this online, but I'm not gonna see it yet. I'm not going to reveal it yet. And this is really, I don't know, guys. I think the house is very cold because this one is not even working. I have this and I have it's dirty for now. I don't clean it yet. But it's a wax. It smells so good, but seems like it's not working, or maybe the bulb is not really that strong enough to produce heat. So that's what I'm thinking. But I can smell a little bit of that. I'm going to change for working. This is my thing. I'm not done over here. As you see, there's a lot of blue tape. That means that's what I'm going to do. It's freezing. Yeah, guys, I will see you later. I'm just going to change, get naked. I'm having lunch. I guess. Good. And this is for you. Hi guys, it's late vlog guys. I've been concentrating to finish the trim. Now, well, hold on. Why my camera is kinda... I've been doing the trim, done with the thing in here, the hallway, this entrance. And yeah, concentrate doing it. Anyway guys, it's a nice day today. Later I want to sit down and just enjoy the outside because it's very sunny, as you can see. Nice. Yeah, I like this one. I'm happy that the owner left this here for the curtains handle. Anyway, so I'm just gonna finish this little thing right here, this blue thing. Where is it? Who left?
We're going way over the speed limit.
Don't you worry about that. You just keep looking for cops.
Oh my god. Just 2.5 months is crazy. I really like this chair. The beach chair, the one that my husband got from Walmart. It's very comfortable and I put my foot up there. I will show you what my husband did, and he left it like this. Look at it. Guys, he just left it like that. It's so funny, my husband. He put this gold leafing. And look. So when I look at in the top, guys, he said, "Oh, I'm done." That's what he said the other day. Yesterday. He said, "Oh, I'm done. I'm gonna continue it Thursday." I don't know how this works. Good morning, guys. It's 6:30 already. Um, my body is kind of so tired. I don't add any air in this earbed last night, so that's why it's kind of lumpy. My body is aching. And also I woke up early this morning. Like I'm awake at 3 o'clock until 5. I don't really want to go down, guys. But I have to look at my hair. This is what happened, guys, when I always tie my hair, with that kind of tied. I have a good one, but Roxy ate it. And I know I saw something in the Philippines, guys, that if you know that a hair tie from the Philippines, the colorful one, the black, yellow, brown, with like a telephone wire. It's like a telephone wire looking. That's good for your hair. Doesn't make your hair have a line. I will depro some steak. I will depro some steak also too for later for lunch, because I told my husband we're gonna have lunch here together, and I'm going to fry it, cook it, fry it. It's nice when you cook steak, a beef, you fry it first, and then after frying you cut it in pieces, slice small like this, and slice and mix it with anything like vegetables. So I'm gonna bring the camera, the tripod, my laptop is right there in the side. This is my morning, guys. Sometimes, guys, after I get up, after I went to the bathroom, brush my teeth and that, like that, pee, I sit in bed. Not in the other house, in this here. I sit in bed for like 10 minutes, and then I kind of like black out. You know what if I'm black out, before I black out, I think I'm really thankful that we finally have a house, me and my husband. This is one of my dream, to have a house with him, and he finally decided, because this time I stopped. Before, I keep telling him we need a house, we can't just live in your mother's house forever. And so he keeps saying no, 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 no. He keeps saying no, no. And because I don't know, he doesn't want it before. But one day from work, he called me. He says that one day he called me. He says, oh, we have to go to one of the place. It's not in New York. It's close to New Jersey. Uh, yeah, Pocono Mountains. Pocono Mountains, guys. Have you heard from that place? It's a tourist vacation place for winter or in summer. I don't know. He said, let's go over there next week. What are we gonna do over there? And he said, we're gonna look for houses. He's looking already online. Let's go look for houses over there. And I found some houses, so he showed it to me. And I looked. He said, okay, we go whatever you wanna do. And then that week, that week that we're supposedly going, he changed his mind. Not in Poconos, because we've been looking the travel plus the tolls plus more traffic, and they're going to work. And so we decided to stay here and still in New York, but upstate, closer to closer to his sister. And yeah, so that's what happened, guys, and that's why we're here. This house hunting took us like 1.5 year. Yeah, that's why it took us for 1.5 year. And then that, I think the half one is, I think it's 2 years really total, because plus the waiting of the house is total 2 years. Don't mind about this lock. It's always locked like this, sometimes worse. But anyway, I have this fish, the one that inununan I made, the pompano, the inununan pinaksiw thingy. I don't finish it. There's one head in here. You know what I'm going to do? I will fry it. I put it in Ziploc. Fried. It's like in the restaurant. I'm gonna buy more of that because it's so yummy. Wow, wow. It's from Sarangani, which is Sarangani. It's in Mindanao. Sarangani. Where is the Jinsan? Yeah, Jinsan. Where is Gerald Anderson? May like Canteveras from there. And also, who else is from there? Chamsi Sup. Just gonna sit over here. It's a nice view, guys. It's very nice. Yes. This is the porch. I can't wait to just hang out over here. I can't wait to hang out and sit over here and have drinks and have snacks, you know. Anyway, this rug over here outside, my sister-in-law gave this to us. Look, welcome to our home, the Averables. That's our family name. I can't wait for the gardener to come here, guys, and do the all, the trees, put and the garden in front of the house, do some stuff, because kinda need to be taken care of. Need to be, because all the grasses you can see, look, it's really good. See. MaryAnn, I can't find the steak. Where is the steak? It's not over here. I can't find it. So, can you just show it to me, please? Come over here. Yes, Ate, what are you looking? What are you looking? Steak? You can find a steak. Steak is right here. Oh. You can't find it. What the heck? You just use your mouth. And my husband is coming today. He closed this window here. Close the blind over here. The sun is in. Let the sun in. Let the sun in. Yeah, like that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cook this giant string beans and onion and fried steak. I fry this one to make it nice in, like crispy outside. So I will fry this with these vegetables, and my husband will be here lunch with me. So I'm waiting. I'm going, and I'm cooking rice also, that I can bring some rice today to the other house. Anyway, inside the house it's a little cold, but the outside is very nice. And I'm going to sit down because I'm kind of tired. Oh, he's here, guys. My husband is here, look. Yee-hee. He's with somebody with him. Okay, let me go. Let me go get him. I go to the garage. Let me see here, guys. See who's with him. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 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 no. What? What baby? No, no, no. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. No baby, no. You left him in there, huh? How long you left him?
He's still with me.
Okay, let's go inside the house first. Let's go, 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 go. Come in. It's a new house, huh? It's your new baby. It's your new house. Let's baby now. I close this door. Put him down. Hi, Hobbs. Wait, what is where are you going? Oh, you're going back. Come here. Come to mama. Come here. You're not going back to the car. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh, me na love ni mama na. Oh, he's still honey. Oh, look.
Yeah, he's a little scared.
Oh my god, we tortured him. We tortured him. Come. He jumped in there, guys, in the corner and hide. And I have food over here. Get out in there, Hobbs.
give him a little time to get comfortable.
That's a cow there. He jumped from the Humpty Home. No baby, no baby, no. Okay, let's eat, hun. We're on the way home, guys. I'm sorry about the music. Look, the car is right there. My husband is putting a... My husband's put something in the wheel ear. So we're on the way home. We just stopped here to get some gas. And there's my Humpty boy. Humpty boy. Hubs. She's so tired, guys, of crying. I think she said, I'm done. I'm done with crying, Mama. Or I'm gonna put you like this. Let's see him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. I am home, guys. Let's surprise the dog. Dog is outside. Roxy. 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 I think they went inside. Roxy, hi! Hello! You guys are crazy. Ouch! 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 Roxy, enough! You guys. Okay, let's go inside. Enough! Crazy dog. Okay, let's go in. I'm going in.